Hello and welcome to Help Desk with Joe. With me, as always, Joe.
We're back.
We're back. We've been through some snowstorms. We got through our holidays. We're back with our broadcasting class, and we're here doing some more shows.
We finally thawed out.
Thawed out. It's a nice day out today. So, as usual, you're helping save money, help people be more efficient with their technology, and helping protect themselves when using technology.
Right.
So, what category does today fall under?
Today's category is more of an assistance, help answer some questions about some new software.
So helping people with their technology and with new software. And I know there's been several changes since we've last talked in the computer world. And luckily that's your world because I don't understand it all. But you'll explain it to me today.
Just trust me, Dave, and it'll be all right.
It'll be fine. Yep. Find somebody that knows what's going on and let them take care of it. That's my motto. So today we're going to talk about Windows 10.
Right.
Talk a little bit about where people will run across this, what options they may have, and what it means.
Okay. Windows 10 is Microsoft's latest operating system. They have Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8. Windows 10 is the next generation of that version, and this is the newest operating system out there.
What happened to Windows 9? I missed it. It went from 8 to 8.1 straight to 10.
Well, that's how Microsoft counts. I'll send you.
Is that one of those mysteries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I'll send you the link on how they count.
So Windows 10. Now I know in our office you came in and said, okay, you have 8.1, upgrade to 10, and you took care of it. So I just know that we use Windows 10, but I don't know the specifics of it.
Right.
So who has the ability to get Windows 10, and if so, what's involved?
To be eligible for Windows 10 right now until July 28th of this year, 2016, Microsoft is offering Windows 10 as a free upgrade. And if you have a Windows 7 or Windows 8 machine or Windows 8.1, you're eligible for the upgrade. And by this point, I guarantee you're at least seeing one pop-up, and I'm willing to bet several pop-ups on your computer. Upgrade to Windows 10, upgrade to Windows 10, it's free. So if you're running Windows 7 or 8 or Windows 8.1, you can upgrade to 10 for free.
Who should upgrade? Because I know, people get to where they use their operating system, they're comfortable with it,
right?
They're familiar with it, and they like knowing where everything is. Who should upgrade? Who shouldn't? Is there anybody that shouldn't, or what do you think on that?
Okay, to be honest with you, Dave, this is a question I get on a weekly, almost a daily basis.
Yeah.
Here's what I tell people: if you are running Windows 7, don't panic. Microsoft's not going to stop updating Windows 7. If you're running with the latest updates, they're going to run to at least 2020, according to their website. If you're running Windows 7 and you're happy with running Windows 7, don't worry about upgrading. If you're not big on change, don't update to Windows 10. If you're running Windows 8 and you're unhappy with it, definitely upgrade to Windows 10. I've seen several people have gone from Windows 8 to Windows 10 and absolutely love it. Now, there are a few rare occasions where they don't like it, but we'll discuss that here shortly.
Yeah. I think from our experience, it's more in line with Windows 7 as far as what I would call the layout,
right?
And the operating procedures,
right. And that's what killed Windows 8 so bad was they changed it so much that it kind of put everybody in shell shock. So
it seemed kind of muddy, and it's hard to figure out where you wanted to go. It was no longer linear with how, like I thought, for instance,
right?
Shoot, this isn't where a lot of these. So I got to figure out where to go.
Right. If Windows 8 was put on with a tablet or a device that had a touchscreen, it worked perfect.
Right. It was very good for that aspect.
But if you try to use it on a desktop or a laptop, it was useless.
Yeah, it was really hard. Okay, so what do you recommend? And I know you just went through, if you have 7 and you're happy with it, stay there. If you have 8, upgrade. When people call you, is there anything outside those parameters that you see, or should you just go ahead and, if you're buying a new computer, for instance, will it come with Windows 10?
Right now, you can get computers that have run Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. So you can get either of the three, and several of the Windows 7 machines come with the ability to upgrade to Windows 8 or Windows 10. I would recommend getting a computer if you want one that has Windows 7 that comes with a disk to upgrade to Windows 10, so that if you decide after July this year, if you decide to upgrade to Windows 10, you have the disk already in place and the product keys and all that, so you don't have to try to purchase or anything like that.
So if you go and you make that decision, you will go make Windows 10. How do you do that?
Okay, it's very easy. To be honest with you, you get that little pop-up that says, "Would you like to upgrade to Windows 10?" You click it, it downloads the installer, and it walks you right through the upgrade.
It's a pop-up over on the right, like a maintenance pop-up.
Right. Yeah, it pops up on the bottom right corner of your screen.
Okay. Is there any way to mess it up, so to speak?
Yeah, just like everything else, there's a possibility of something bad going to happen. So here's what you need to do. First, backup. You should be backing up anyway. Always make sure you have a backup
I was waiting for you to. Yes, Joe, I'm doing it.
We put Carbonite on there, so you're
I know,
good.
yeah.
So make sure you have a backup, and then run your upgrade process. Now, if you have internet either through a hotspot, a satellite, or another company provider that gives you a data cap, I would try my best to not upgrade, because although Microsoft here lately within the last few weeks are really pushing people in Windows 10, and they're going as far as forcing the download on your computer
Right.
against your will, so it eats up your bandwidth, almost no time.
Could you go to like the library or somewhere like that and have it upload?
Yeah, if you
Download.
yeah, you could go to a public Wi-Fi or someplace and get the download that way. But once you do that, you just click it and it walks you right through the process. And what's nice is if you upgrade to 10 and you don't like it, you can always, within the first 30 days of the upgrade, you can revert back to your previous operating system without losing your data or applications.
Nice. That was my next question. If you don't like it, is there an option, or are you just stuck?
Right.
Now, in your opinion, is it better to just go ahead and suck it up, learn Windows 10 and go on because that's
Right.
or try to hold out as long as you can hope for something different?
Well, from what I've read at this point, they're pretty much Windows 10 is going to be it. Now they're going to upgrade and change and add new bells and whistles along the way, but pretty much Windows 10 is going to be it.
Right.
Now, if you're a home user, that's totally up to you if you want to try it or not. In a business setting, that's a completely different
Right.
ball of wax.
And I got that whole lecture last time, so
Right.
I'm up to speed.
But if you want to upgrade Windows 10 in your office setting, first talk with your IT people, whoever they are, and two, if you're running any customized software, definitely talk to your software vendor, see if they support Windows 10 or not. Because I know we have some customers that they run pretty much standard software like Microsoft Office, Dropbox, stuff like that doesn't have any problems. And we have some customers that run specialized software, and software vendors says do not upgrade Windows 10 until we test to get all the bugs worked out.
So there may be an issue there if you have that business. If people wanted to get a hold of you and say, okay, I'm not sure, even after watching this video, I'm not sure where.
Right.
Maybe I have a small business and I do run this software. How to get a hold of you? Start sorting through those choices.
You can give us a call at our office at 304-927-3588. Check out our website at amdigitaltechnologies.com, or be like David and like us on Facebook.
Yep, I like the daily specials. We go through that, and it's always nice. So if you have any of those questions or concerns, remember A&M Digital Technologies, all our shows, local business, and you guys are great with the Windows 10 upgrade. You came into our office, got it set up, walked us through the process, made it really nice. It was a smooth transition.
And you liked it better than Windows 8.
Yes, much better. And so that made it very nice because we were a little frustrated, and you easily eased us into Windows 10, and we were rolling in no time. So give them a call. We have Joe and Cena here with A&M Digital Technologies. That's our show for this week. Hopefully next week we'll be back with something of Cena's that we can test Dunkin' water.
Actually, I've got a couple things in the process that involve water.
All right, we like those. So those are the fun ones. If you have any questions, get a hold of them, and make sure you support your local businesses here in West Virginia. All right, thank you, and you all have a good week. Joe, thank you.
Thank you.